I would say good morning, but it's good afternoon. I just had to get up and get myself like going and shower and do my makeup because I did try to vlog a little bit earlier, but I'm like, I always start off my vlogs like this and I feel like so ugly because I'm fresh out of bed. It kind of like uninspires me to like continue vlogging. So here I am now. I feel awful. Oh my god, my lips look so gross because it has like chapstick and foundation all over it. I'm doing a day in my life because these videos get the most views, which I don't blame them. I really like them too. So I'm gonna continue to do that. I'm sorry about my voice. I can't breathe out of my nose. And also, New Year's Eve, I had a party here. It was my sister's idea and she was the one doing all the inviting. I literally invited 0 people and it turned out to be an entire rager. This place was a mess, like awful. People were spraying champagne like on the floors, on the ceiling. It was awful. Oh my gosh, and some girl went in my bathroom and stole all my Glam Glow. Following that, I kind of stayed in bed for about 2 days. But now is the day that I'm up and I'm going and getting back into the swing of things and getting excited for the new year. So I am going to make myself something to eat right now. I'm gonna make myself avocado toast because that's basically the only thing I have in here. And the dogs are having fun playing. Oh my gosh. This is Draco's new shirt. What are you doing? Oh, and then this is Harley's new collar. Yeah, cool guy, cool guy. I am going to go all in with this because I want it to be a good meal, you know? If you just half-ass it, then I'm gonna be unsatisfied and then want to just go get food somewhere else. So I'm gonna actually make this yummy, yummy, yum. Not that avocado toast on its own wouldn't be yummy, but even better. Want to hear something crazy? I bought this giant knife because I needed a big knife for things like this. I used it one time and then I have not found it since. So, you know, maybe someone's hiding it to like murder me or something. I'm not even cutting this right at all because I don't care and I don't need a lot. This is just a white onion. I'm gonna dice this. That's enough of that. Basically, I'm going to put the onions, the avocado, cilantro. I am the biggest fan of cilantro. Some like sriracha sauce and maybe some garlic a little bit and some lemon juice and see how that goes. I found this trick to cutting avocados best. You just kind of cut it in half and then you will peel it off the back. Ta-da. I put the whole avocado on mine because if not, it's just gonna go brown since I opened it, so might as well use it all. There we go. I'm basically just putting in all of the stuff that I know tastes good and hopefully it turns out to something amazing. Oh God. We've got our kind of guac made, sourdough toast, and I think on top I'm gonna put a tiny bit of this vegan Parmesan cheese. Boom. These dogs are begging, so I gotta feed them first, actually. You guys happy now? You happy now? We can eat together. It's good, woo! So also what I like to do in the morning, if I plan on working or I wanna be inspired, I'll go on my phone or my computer and just watch a bunch of YouTube videos, which is seen as like the best job ever, because it is, to just watch other YouTube videos, get inspired, and then get yourself in the right mindset so that I can film them myself. So I'm gonna do that. Let me know who like some of your favorite YouTubers are because I want to find more. I feel like I kind of get stuck in the same YouTubers that I watch and I want to see like what else is out there, you know? So let me know people that you like and you think that I would like to. So the this is the area when you enter. This is the front door, and I have this little thing here that I've had since my first apartment, and there's like a mirror right here. Over here is the living room. It looks like super bare. There's no TV up. The chairs are right there because I usually just sit the TV there. Like the wall right here, I'll show you it. This wall here is like some weird material. So we have to hire someone to hang this up. So we're still waiting for that to happen. This is a super cute fireplace. Like you just turn it on and flip a switch and then it like looks like a fireplace. It doesn't actually get warm, but it's cute. I have my Obama pic. And these things are so cute. I think I got them from Target. This is like sage, we were saging the house. These are nice to like have around here or just have in general so that you can bring food places and like sit on your bed and eat, or like bring food over here with like keeping everything in a spot. This is like dining room section. This rug looks like way too small for this area, so I'm probably gonna ditch that. And I also bought a new table from Z Gallery, which is a lot bigger and more grand. So I'm excited for that. This section over here, it's kind of like lame right now because I don't have the things that I want in it. I plan on having like a table here and a TV is gonna go up there, and I bought 2 couches and a table for this section. So that's gonna come to life very, very soon. This is my kitchen. Actually my favorite part of the whole house. Kitchen is so modern and amazing and I love it. It's a little bit messy right now, so I'm sorry about that. Outside is a huge mess because we haven't got to it yet, the cleanup from the party. If you want to know like a tiny little glimpse on how the party went, this is like what's still left over. I definitely made sure to clean up anything bad out there that the dogs could get to. I painted this. Jonathan and I had a like artistic day and we just decided to paint things, so that's when I painted. I realized once I put it up, because I kind of copied a picture on Pinterest, but I think I'm gonna change it and just paint this pink part gray. The picture that I copied, it like it had the pink and like instead of yellow it had blue, but I chose yellow because that's my favorite color. And it looks cute, but for the style of all my furniture and stuff, I think like all gray would look cooler. Over here, we have a bathroom. This is like the guest bathroom. I love this bathroom best because it stays the cleanest and it has this cute, cute sparkly light above it. Here's my Glam Glow setup that someone stole all my Glam Glow from. Oh wait, you know, there's some in there. So there's these ones. They stole this one and whatever was in here. It's unfortunate, but I was like, I should probably hide this, you know, because if there's people gonna come over, I don't want anyone to steal anything, but I just thought it would be all people that I knew here, and then it turned out like a bunch of strangers, so that's awesome. In this hallway, I have my ColourPop kind of like campaign photo, which is super cute. I framed that. And then there's this picture of me and Harley. I need to get one of me and Draco. I got this all framed before Draco was even in the picture, so that's why he doesn't have one yet. So back here, this is where Morgan's room was. So she left her bed and these 2 mirrors here, which I filmed my makeup tutorial last in here just because it's like bright and clean. I think I'm gonna turn this room just into like my filming makeup glam room. Seems perfect because she also had a walk-in closet. So I still have all of this closet room to use. I can put like a bunch of makeup and like my camera equipment, I think, in here too. Yeah, she's left her TV too. She left like so much stuff. So definitely, as you can tell, there's a lot of work that has to go into this room. There's a bathroom in here. This shower is my favorite shower in the entire house, but no one even got to use it. Even when Morgan lived here, basically the top of it's like all broken. Yeah, I don't know, we have to get that fixed. It didn't work out. Right here is a laundry room, which has a very unfortunate turn of events. This is a mess and I need to get to it. Over here is the office, kind of what we set up as the office, but it kind of just is holding all of my crap now. I don't know if you guys know, but I have 2 assistants. I have one that's more of like a personal assistant. My friend Janessa is my like production assistant, so she helps me take care of all of my videos, uploading them, recording them, getting them edited, etc. So my personal assistant usually will like come in here. He would like come in here and organize everything because this is all gifts I either got for Christmas or from brands sending them to me. It's just like craziness, and it gets like this weekly, like brand new stuff, which I'm so thankful for, but it gets overwhelming. I basically gave him the entire month off for the holidays, so I think about now it's time that we all get back to work and clean this up and make this beautiful, because the furniture that I showed you next to like the clothing rack out there, I want to bring that in here and make this an actual office. This closet in here is kind of like, I've started to store like makeup stuff too, because there's just so much. Come on, Harley, let's go. I got this toy for Harley for Christmas, and it's the cutest thing ever. Chewy Vuitton. It's almost all ripped up, really, already. Ooh, good boy. And there's a bathroom in here too. This one has a bathtub. Now across the house is my bedroom, and it's very messy right now, but I'm hoping to be able to do that today, clean it all up. So I'll give you only like a sneak peek because it's really gross. There's like a bathtub, still don't have any curtains up. The shower, toilet obviously, cabinets down here is just like scattered with makeup, so I don't even want to show you that. Huge mess, really big room, don't even want to show you. But then in here is my closet. You guys have seen this before. This is my closet. So that was a little sneak peek house tour, like an overview, but not in depth, because my house is not how I want it to be at all. So hopefully soon, and hopefully one day it's all put together and I can show you guys, and I'm happy with everything, but for now, this is it. Okay, my card got full, but right now I have the seitan, onions, and garlic in here, and my noodles are done. I'm just having them sit off to the side right now. Hope this stuff turns out good. So I have olive oil in there already, but I'm gonna put some of this vegan butter in it to make it better. I'm gonna start putting in the noodles now, just because I want to start adding flavor to those. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off and put a different pan on. I'm gonna put some of this vegetable broth in there to give it some juice. Unfortunately, I have like no veggies put in here, so that sucks, but I guess this is gonna have to work out. I'm gonna add soy sauce in here because I feel like that's very important for this kind of dish. And then also I'm gonna add this Thai roasted red chili paste to make it a bit spicy. I added a little bit of maple syrup for some sweetness, and I like taste tested these noodles and they taste amazing. So I'm gonna use this pan over here and cook the fake egg. Oh my god, the vegan egg. The boyfriend is home, and the noodles are ready. You think it tastes good?
I think it tastes great. Action!
It is face mask time after the movie. If you're thinking about saying downsizing, just don't. It was like not a horrible movie, but it was way too long, and I wish I saw something else.
Face and mask night. Amanda said she wanted to party tonight, so here we are, partying.
It's the glitter, we're partying.
This is a chill party. This is a couple party.
Date night!
Date night party. It's always date night though. Date night wherever we go.
How's yours feel? Tingly?
It feels very tingly.
Tingly.
It's like anytime any breeze hits my face, it's like...